is just like non-stop, one after another, one after another, another one. Hi guys, Perch here. So today I'm at the Pacific coast targeting for surf perch. Today the wave condition is quite good and the wind condition is quite good. The only thing is the temperature is a little bit low, but I still decided to come out to give a try. Hopefully we can get some good surf perch today. And let me show you guys my setup as always. Here's my setup. You guys see this fishing pole a lot. So this is a Okuma Line 6 medium light spinning rod, and this is a 3000 reel. I'm using 15 pound of main line. Over there I have this is a 10 pounds of line with 2 hooks. This is a 1.5 ounce of weight. Over there I use 2 hooks, quite a big hook with shrimp. One is a raw market shrimp, that one is cured shrimp, but any shrimp should work. Yeah, so that's just simple like that. Let's cast it out and see our luck today.
Alright, so for surf perch fishing, if you have never tried and don't know where to cast, here's a tip. It's not necessary as far as possible. Usually you want to find the first layer of a break wave. As long as you can cast behind that first layer of a break wave, you are good to go. The fish will swim behind there.
Oh, fish strong. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, oh, that's a good one. Oh, 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 wow. This is just literally the first cast. Got one. Nice. Let's go.
Okay, let's continue to talk about the wave structure. So the first layer of a break wave. What is that? I'm trying to draw a picture at the left corner to explain it. So the surf perch, they hate very flat beach. They like beach with structures. So at the where the green arrow at, it's like a sandbar, right? So we want to find the sandbar and cast behind that sandbar. But we cannot see the sandbar when the water is high. That's why you want to find the first layer of the break wave. Where the sandbar is high, then the water will be pushed higher than the rest of the wave. That's the blue one you see in the picture. So that's how you find the sandbar and cast beyond that sandbar. By reading the water, reading the height of different layer of wave, you will be able to find the sandbar. So that's what I mean by the first layer of the break wave. That's just usually how I do it. Hope that can help you guys. And if you have never been to the beach before, where to find a good beach? Here's a Google map I'm using. You can see the right circle, the red circle is deep in the rest of the area. You can tell by the different color of the water. That's the place I would prefer to go fishing for. Oh, fish on.
Very strong. Wow. Wow, this is. Wow. Good. Wow. Wow. I like this feeling, strong. Oh, strong swimmers they are. Oh, wow. Whoa. Oh, look at it. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Another one landed. Oh, yeah. Cool. Oh. Come on. Wow, this is nice size. Take a look, another good size one. Today all of them are quite big, around 1 pound. Yeah, another one, beautiful. Wow, this is so heavy. Oh, must be a big one. Oh, oh, come on, come on. Oh, 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 oh. The fight is so good. Oh yeah, yeah. That's a, oh, wow. That's 1 pound. Over 1 pound for sure. Yeah, that was quick. The last one was on like about 5 minutes ago, and we had another one. Yeah, good. Come on. Oh, come on, come on. Wow. Literally just like cast out, I get a bite. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, just right after my cast. Woo! Woo! Ah, yeah. Yeah, it's just right after my cast I get this one back. Woo! Ew, that's a bite. Wow. Oh. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. 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 Another one. Oh. Nice. Another one. Oh, that's a good one. Really good one. Wow, look at it. Yeah. Nice. Another one. Oh, today's a lucky day. Finally, this one like ate a lot of my shrimp, and finally I got it back. Ooh, yes, got it back. You cannot keep stealing my shrimp. Get it back finally. Nice. Once. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, ooh, ooh, this is, wow, come on, where's my net? That's a huge one. Ah, nice. Wow, look at it. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm so excited right now. The bite is so awesome. Nice, nice. Come on. Oh. Oh, another one. It's just like one after another. Non-stop biting right now. Ah. Non-stop bite. Oh, beautiful. Another one. Yes. Another one. Oh, the evening bite is awesome so far. Oh, 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 jumbo size. Oh, good, good, good. Ah, nice. Yeah, look at it. Look at it. Ah, so happy. Nice. All right, guys. I'm heading home now. Look at the beautiful sunset on the beach. Plus, we get our limit of surf perch today. Look at the size. Huge. We got quite a few decent ones. 9 of them is over 1 pound. Yeah, such a beautiful day. Yeah, thanks for watching. And see you guys next time. Bye bye.